Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make Chrome as your default browser on Windows 11. So setting up a Google Chrome as your default browser in Windows 11 is pretty easy. So you can just follow these steps that I'm going to show you through this video. If you haven't had the Chrome apps installed on your computer, you can just download the Chrome from google.com/Chrome and install it. And after that, you can just open the Windows settings. You can click on the Windows plus I on your keyboard to open the settings app. And now you can just navigate to the default apps in the left sidebar here. Just tap on apps and select the default apps from the options. And now you can just search for Google Chrome in the list of the app. This one. So you can just click on this Chrome and you'll see a list of file types and protocol associated with browsers. So you can just click on each file type and protocol and select Google Chrome from the pop-up list. You can see I've already set Google Chrome as the HTML, and this one you can change it by clicking on this. You can change it to Chrome, set default, and PDF I'm not going to change it, and this one you can click on choose the default and set Chrome. Okay, just set it to Chrome, all of it to the one that you want. After that, you can just confirm the changes. So just close the setting apps and you can just open the Chrome and it may prompt you to confirm that it's your default browser. So if so, you can just click on set as default. And so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.